To all my Black and Hispanic brothers and sisters in the armed forces of America, you don't have to give your life for a bunch of cowards who've been treating you like nothing. Come home and help us fix this at home. Our fight is with the evil of racism. It's not with Africa or Iran.
This home security footage shows the arrest of two women.
She buried here.
Don't touch her.
Amor.